Your first car, it's not just a vehicle, it's freedom. But with inflation, tech overload, and car prices all over the place, what's actually worth buying in 2025? Today, I'm breaking down the best first cars, real-world picks that balance price, reliability, and just enough fun. Want a first car that won't leave you broke or bored? Stick around. I've got 5 smart picks under 20K that punch way above their price. Some even have features you'd expect in a BMW or Audi. Before we dive in, here's what we're looking for. Under $20,000 new or used, cheap to maintain, easy to drive, good safety and reliability, bonus points for fun or style. If you need all-weather confidence, the Impreza's standard AWD is unbeatable. It comes with a 2.0L Boxer engine, 152 HP, and Subaru's Lineartronic CVT. Fuel economy is around 36 mpg highway. Inside, 6.5. Touchscreen, CarPlay, Android Auto, and EyeSight driver assist. Super practical and built for any season. The Civic Sport is a top-tier first car pick. A 2.0L iVTEC engine with 158 HP and a slick-shifting 6-speed manual option makes it fun to drive. Sport trims get black wheels, a center exit exhaust, and upgraded interior trims. Apple CarPlay, Honda sensing, and solid fuel economy, up to 38 mpg. You'll find clean used examples around 15K. The new Gen Elantra is sharp and loaded with tech. Base models have a 2.0L 4-cylinder with 147 HP and up to 42 mpg highway. Higher trims like the N-Line give you a 1.6L turbo and 201 HP. You get an ADA touchscreen, wireless CarPlay, digital dash, and forward collision avoidance. The aggressive exterior design stands out. Super efficient, super techy. If you want something with style, check the Mazda3. It's powered by a 2.5L Skyactiv G engine with up to 186 HP. Optional AWD, great steering feel, and tight handling. Inside, 8.8. Infotainment screen, leatherette seats, and high-end materials. It's got a premium vibe for under 17K used. Looks like a luxury car, drives like a sport compact. The Corolla is the GOAT of first cars. It comes with a 1.8L or 2.0L 4-cylinder engine, producing up to 169 HP. CVT transmission up to 40 mpg highway, and Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 with lane keep assist and adaptive cruise. It rides on 15-18 wheels depending on trim. Used SE trims under 18K include CarPlay, a touchscreen infotainment system, and a sporty look. Bulletproof reliability, great resale, it just works. Need a brand new car under warranty? The 2023 Versa starts at just under 17K. A 1.6L engine gives you 122 HP and up to 40 mpg highway. It includes auto emergency braking, lane departure warning, and optional CarPlay. Simple, affordable, and reliable. Your first car doesn't need to be flashy. It needs to be smart. And every car on this list, you can drive it with confidence, keep it for years, and maybe even fall in love with the road. Which one would you pick? Or do you have a sleeper pick I missed? Smash that like button if this helped. Drop your dream first car in the comments and hit subscribe for more builds, reviews, and dream rides here on Zero to Dream. See you next ride.